Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this particular video let us discuss about a disease named as colon cancer, which you may receive as a case note in your sub-test of the speaking section. Now you might be knowing much more better than me regarding this disease, but let us discuss more about it. So colon cancer is a type of cancer which develops in the large intestine, especially the colon area. Colon is considered to be the culmination point of our digestive system, and initially it develops as a group of non-cancerous cells or benign tumor, and some of the cells in the later stages develops the potential to be cancerous cells, which may cause a great danger to the life of a patient. It may be a fatal disease, and mostly it is found in the case of adults. Now, what might be the symptoms of these diseases? Symptom of the disease is nothing but weakness and fatigue, persistent condition of diarrhea and constipation, or maybe rectal blood or blood in the stool, and so on. And the medical experts cannot assure a particular cause for this particular disease. And there are various levels of treatments which are available for this disease, ranging from the radiation therapy to the surgery, drug treatments, and so on. Now, one of the case study or one of the case notes which was observed in the speaking test was a patient who was suffering from urinary tract infection after the surgery of colon. Now, what to do with this particular kind of patient? You can always encourage the patient to speak out, as well as reassure them with all kinds of emphatic phrases, and also sympathize with the condition of the patient. You can inquire the patient about any kind of difficulties or symptoms which he or she observed after the surgery was completed, and also continuously try to reassure them with all kinds of solutions which you can provide. And towards the end, you can provide the suggestion or your kind of opinion in order to change their food habits or lifestyle in order to boost their immune system and improve their health condition. So this was just an overview about the colon cancer. Always you can add additional points to it in order to make your case note much more attractive or your speaking subtest much more attractive.